NCERT class 10th exercise 3.2 page number 50. Seventh problem saying that draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Okay, this was the question. Now we will go for the problem. Two lines has been given to us, that is x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, now first what is that? X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Second, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. First, take this towards the right hand side. If you take towards the right hand side, the sign will get changed. X minus y is equals to minus 1. Second, 3x plus 2y, send it, is equals to 12. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we will do in the graph. That we form the two equation, x minus y is equals to minus 1 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Now what should we put at the place of x and y? The answer should be minus 1. What should we put at the place of x and y? The answer should be minus 1. Now can I take at the place of x minus 1 and at the place of y 0? It will be minus 1 is equals to minus 1. What I have to take on the place of x and y? The answer should be minus 1. Can I take 2 and 3? 2 minus 3, how much it will be? Minus 1. Now what I have taken? Minus 1 comma 0, that is minus 1 comma 0. Again next 2 and 3, that is 2 comma 3. It is now 3 plus 2. In this one, what should I put here? I am putting 4 and here I am putting 0. 3 for the 12 plus 0, it will be 12. Now 3 plus 2 is equals to 12. What should I put at the place of x here? 0. Here I am putting 6. That is 0 plus 12 is equals to 12. Now substitute 4 and 0. That is 4 comma 0. Here 0 on and 6. That is 0 comma 6. Now we will put the points in the graph. First one is minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 on x axis, 0 on y axis. Minus 1 comma 0. Next 2 comma 3. 2 on x axis, 3 on y axis. Minus 1 comma 0, 2 comma 3. Now join these two. Next 4 comma 0. 4 on x axis, 0 on y axis. 4 comma 0. Next 0 comma 6. 0 on x axis, 6 on y axis. 0 comma 6. Join these two also. It is 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Now join this base. First name it as A, second name it as B, and third name it as C. What or now it is asking. Now see where it is touching to x. In the question it is saying to show the x axis also. Here it is touching and one more here it is also touching on x and here also it is touching on x. Now shade the region of the triangle. Shade the region of the triangle. This is the region of the triangle, internal part. Okay. Next, what is x axis? Horizontal line is called as x axis, vertical line is called as y axis. Now on scale, on x axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter, on y axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. Now A, what are the coordinates of A? Coordinate is nothing but A and B. What we have taken at the place of x? See here on A, at the place of x what it is? Minus 1. And at the place of y what it is? 0. That is minus 1 comma 0. Now B, C, 4 on x axis, 0 on y axis, 4 comma 0. And C, 2 on x axis, 3 on y-axis. Okay, now what is vertices we should know. See, line segments of a closed figure, line segment of closed figure meeting at a point is called as vertex. If it is more than one, it is called as vertices. See, in the triangle we will find three vertices, 1, 2, 3. These are the vertices of the triangle. I have named it as A, B, C. Scale on x-axis, what is the difference between one number to another number? It is 1. It is called as 1 unit. And what will be the measurement of one cell of graph? It will be 1 centimeter. So on x-axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter, on y-axis 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. This was our problem.